Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? It's more than just an annoying reflex. Sneezing is a powerful mechanism our body uses to expel irritants from the nose. When particles like dust or pollen enter our nasal passages, sensory nerves detect these invaders, triggering a sneeze reflex. This reflex involves a complex chain reaction that sends a signal to your brain, which then orchestrates a rapid, forceful expulsion of air through your nose and mouth at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. It's your body's natural way of keeping your airways clear. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's superhero move. Curious for more? Hit that like and subscribe for more fascinating insights.